and gentlemen, ladies, old school game snob here today. I want to talk to you about basically rotating actor on the Z-axis not working. If you're having this problem, so for example, I've got a little system here where I jump out of my car, and I wanted to basically jump out in the direction that the car was facing, right? But it always kept pointing towards the mountain, no matter which way the car was going. It always kept pointing towards the mountain. And it's like, alright, well, what do I do? Set actor rotation, and I noticed that if I set actor rotation on the Y or the X, that works. Alright, I can set actor rotation on the Y or the X. You can see my little sphere capsule is all rotated on the Y right now, and my character's all sideways, right? So that's working. It's like, okay, so that's working, but rotating on the Z, why won't that work? I was like, okay, why can't I get rotation on the Z to work? It always just keeps pointing out in the exact same way. Well, that is because, as far as I can figure it, that is because my hero character uses controller rotation, right? I'm pretty sure this is it. So use controller rotation. There we go. Use controller rotation on the yaw. That's the Z. So basically, what you need to do, and this works like a charm. What you need to do is you're not rotating your actor anymore. You're rotating your controller rotation. All right. So basically, what you want to do is set control rotation, and what you need to do is you need to get the controller of the pawn, and in this case, it's my driver pawn reference. So this would be like self. It depends on how your blueprint's set up, but this is a reference to your player pawn. And then what you're going to do is you're going to drag get controller out of that, of your pawn. Get controller is then going to be put into the target of set control rotation, right? So set control rotation of your pawn, and then you can put in the Z-axis however you like. All right, so I'm just going to put this out on, let's put this out on Z0. That should be straight ahead. All right, so now I'm jumping out of my car, and that didn't work. What did I do wrong? I didn't connect the nodes. There we go. Helps to connect the nodes. That helps a lot. All right, try that again. One more time, in the car and out of the car. As you can see, directly straight ahead. There's my 90 degree right there where it's usually been going, but now 0 degrees right there. 45 degrees should be somewhere in between. Right, there we go, somewhere in between. Perfect. So, for those of you struggling with why the heck your Z-axis isn't rotating, well, I dare say that's why. I hope that helps somebody. See you guys later.